Hi, I'm Randy Golden from Medical Technologies of Georgia, and I'm here today to introduce everybody to our new MTG hydrophilic coated intermittent catheters. So let's take a look at what's inside each package. We have the catheter, the blue no-touch sleeve, and the water sachet, all packaged in a neat and completely sterile sleeve. Upon flipping the package over, you want to verify French size, length, and tip style are as prescribed by your doctor. MTG hydrophilic catheters are offered in French sizes 8 through 16. We also offer male and female length, straight or coude tip, and for users with sensation, we offer a new soft vinyl catheter that's much more comfortable to use. So let's look at each of the individual catheters we offer. First of all, the pediatric style are 10 inches long with the appropriate color-coded funnel. This one happens to be an 8 because again it is an international color coding. The pediatric products do come with a no-touch sleeve. For ladies, we have the female length catheter, which doesn't have the sleeve, and the reason being that we felt like there wasn't enough room on the catheter to be able to hold the catheter and the sleeve, and we thought the sleeve might just get in the way. So we offer this one without the sleeve, but again, as you watch the female video, you see how easy this catheter is to insert. For male users, we have a couple different options. The 16-inch long male catheter does come with the blue no-touch sleeve. This is our firm option. We also make that exact same catheter in a softer variety. So if you have any sensation as you catheterize, you may wish to try the soft variety as it is going to be more comfortable to insert, again with the blue no-touch sleeve. And then finally, we offer the coude variety. This happens to be a 16, again the orange tip, and you see here the end of the catheter has a little bend on it, and that is designed to get the catheter past any strictures along the way or an enlarged prostate. All of our catheters, whether it be coude, pediatric, etc., all have rounded, fire-polished eyelets. So they're going to be less traumatic as the catheter passes through the urethra, less irritating. And all of our catheters are DEHP free. There isn't any of the DEHP carcinogen in any of our catheters. For catheterization of the female patient, let's talk about that process. So we have a water sachet included with our hydrophilic catheters. And in order to start the process, I'm going to bend the package in half, and by doing so, I'm going to burst the water sachet. Okay, so the water is going to come out of the package. So it'll be inside the sterile pouch, but it won't. It'll allow the catheter to be coated with the water, which is necessary to activate the coating. Go back and forth several times, and it takes 30 seconds for the catheter coating to activate. I'm going to set it aside. Now is a good time to go wash the hands and clean the genitalia prior to catheterization. When I'm finished, I'm going to use the finger holes, open the pouch up, pull the catheter out, and I always give it a little twist because I don't want to get any, there's always a little bit of fluid left in the tubing itself, and if I give it a little back and forth twist, it's not going to come out along with the catheter, and now I'm good to go. I always want to hold on to the tubing by the funnel. Okay, you don't ever want to touch the surface of the tube. You want to let that remain as sterile as possible. I want to spread the labia with one hand. I'm actually right-handed. I'm going to insert the catheter in. The hydrophilic catheter goes in very easily. Okay. Once I see urine flow, I'm going to give the catheter another ½ inch advancement to make sure that the catheter is located in the middle of the bladder. I'm going to direct the urine flow down into the toilet, and when I'm empty, I'm going to pull the catheter out about ½ inch, see if I have additional fluid, and when I'm completely empty, I'm going to reach back, get my gauze pad, and as long as I'm only touching the green funnel, I'm good. Not touching the surface of the tubing, I take the catheter out and I use that gauze pad to collect the eyelets to make sure that I don't have any spillage. When I'm done, wrap everything up and toss it away, and then I get another tissue, and I always wipe downward when I clean the female urethra. Please remember that used catheters can be a potential biohazard. Please dispose of these using accepted medical practice. Thank you for watching our video today. If you'd like samples, please go to our website, medtechga.com, where you can get samples of our uncoated catheters, our hydrophilic catheters, and if you're having issues with recurrent urinary tract infections, you can request samples of our closed system intermittent catheters, which are designed to reduce the risk of UTIs.